It's Max!
Hi viewers, in this video let us see how to find H.C.F in an easy and tricky way. Already in this channel we have seen trick to solve H.C.F easily. This is another one trick. You can use any one of the tricks whichever is convenient for you. Those who have not seen the trick, please follow the link in the description box given below. So now let us learn the second trick. We shall learn that trick by solving some examples. So first we are going to find the HCF for the numbers 6, 24 and 48. For using this trick, the first step what we are supposed to do is we have to find the smallest of these three numbers. So the smallest of these three numbers is 6. Let us take a note of that. Second, what we are supposed to do is we have to find whether this smallest number divides the other two numbers. Or in other words, we have to find whether 24 and 48 is divided by 6. Is 24 and 48 divided by 6? Yes, right? Because 4 6 are 24 and 6 6 are 48. So, the HCF is the smallest number 6 only. So, the trick is very easy. What we have to do? We have to find the smallest number. Next, we have to find whether the smallest number divides the rest of the number. Let it be 2 numbers or 3 numbers. It doesn't matter. If the smallest number divides the rest of the numbers, the HCF is smallest number only. Let us solve some more problems, then we will get a clear idea. Next, we have to find the HCF for the numbers 14, 112, 42. So, if you want to apply this trick, the first step we are supposed to find the smallest of these numbers. The smallest number is 14. Let us take a note of that. Next, we should find whether the numbers 112 and 42 is divided by 14. So, 112 is divided by 14 and 42 is also divided by 14 because 14 into 3 is equal to 42 and 14 into 8 is equal to 112. Since the smallest number divides the rest of the numbers, HCF is smallest number 14 only. So, we shall apply this trick especially in MCQ problems and for answer verification also. Or you get a question in such a way that the smallest number divides the rest of the numbers. So, it's not necessary to follow the L division method. It will take a lot of time. Using this trick, we shall solve the problem very easily and quickly also. So now let us find the HCF for the numbers 18, 12 and 30. For that, the first step what we have to do is we have to find the smallest number. The smallest number is 12. Let us take a note of that. Next, what we are supposed to do is we have to find whether the numbers 18 and 30 is divided by 12. So 12 does not divide the number 18 and 30, right? So in this case, what we have to do is we have to find the factors of 12. Since the smallest number does not divide the rest of the number, definitely any one number in the factor will divide the rest of this number. So only we are going to find the factors of 12. So what is factors of 12? If you multiply two numbers, we get the answer as 12. Those two numbers are factors of 12. So if we multiply 12 and 1, we will get 12. So let us write 12 and 1 in the factors list. Similarly, if we multiply 6 and 2, we will get 12. And if we multiply 3 and 4, we will get 12. So the factors of 12 are 12, 6, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let us write those factors in the descending order. I will explain later why we are arranging these factors in the descending order. Second, the same step only we are going to follow. That is, we are going to find whether the numbers 18 and 30 is divided by the factors of 12. So already we have checked for 12. So it's not necessary to check for 12 again. The next factor is 6. So now let us check whether the number 6 divides the numbers 18 and 30, or in other words, whether 18 and 30 is divided by 6. 18 and 30 is divided by 6, right? Because 6 3s are 18 and 6 5s are 30. So the HCF of the numbers 18, 12 and 30 is 6 only. Let me explain it once again. If the smallest number does not divide the rest of the numbers, we have to find the factors of the smallest number. So in the factors list, we have to check one by one which number in the factors exactly divides the rest of the numbers. So why we are arranging the factors in the descending order means we are going to find the highest common factor, right? So if we arrange randomly, in this example, see the number 3 also divides the rest of the numbers. But we have to find the highest common factor, right? So that's why we have arranged the factors in the descending order. Let us solve some more problems. So here we have to find the HCF for the numbers 16, 24 and 36. First we have to find the smallest of these numbers. The smallest number is 16. Next we have to find whether the number 24 and 36 is divided by 16. So it's not divided by 16, right? So in this case we have to find the factors of 16. So the factors of 16 is very easy. It is 16, 1, 8, 2 and 4. Let us arrange the numbers in the descending order. 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. Next we have to find which number in the factors divides the rest of the numbers. Let us skip 16 and move on to 8. Now we have to find whether the numbers 24 and 36 is divided by 8. So 24 is divided by 8 but 36 is not divided by 8. So in this case what we have to do? We have to move on to the next factor. So the next factor in the factors of 16 list is 4. Now we have to find whether the number 4 divides the numbers 24 and 36. So 24 and 36 is divided by 4, right? Because 6 4s are 24 and 9 4s are 36. So the HCF of the numbers 16, 24 and 36 is 4 only. Next, let us find the HCF for the numbers 27, 45 and 252. First, we have to find the smallest of these numbers. The smallest number is 27. Next, let us find whether the numbers 45 and 252 is divided by 27. So, it is not divided by 27. So, in this case, what we have to do? We have to find the factors of 27. So, the factors of 27 is 27, 9, 3 and 1. So, first, it's not necessary to check for 27. Let's move on to the next factor 9. So we have to find whether the numbers 45 and 252 is divided by 9. So 9 5s are 45. So 45 is divided by 9. So in case of 252, it is not necessary to do division. We shall apply the divisibility rule of 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is we have to find the sum of digits. If the sum of digits is multiple of 9, then that number is divided by 9. So in case of 252, 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. So the number 252 is also divided by 9. So the HCF of the numbers 27, 45 and 252 is 9 only. Finally, we are going to see how or in which situation this trick will be very helpful to us. So this trick will be very helpful in this type of MCQ question. Here is one question. We have to find the HCF of the numbers 42, 63 and 105. The options are 32, 45, 21 and 18. So if you want to apply the trick, we have to find the smallest number, right? But the smallest number 42 is not in the options list. Next, what we have to do? We have to find the factors of 42. So the factors of 42 is 42, 21, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. So here is factors list. Next, generally what we will do? We will find which number in the factors list divides the rest of these numbers. So in this type of question, it's not necessary to do division also. What we shall do? We shall find which number in the factors list matches the option. That is, we have to find which number comes in both the lists. So the number 21 is in the factors list also and in the options list also. So the HCF of these numbers is 21 only, because the rest of the factors are not in the option list. That's why. So if you use the trick in a smart way, this trick will be very helpful to us. I think you have understood this trick. If you like this video, press the like button, share to your friends, subscribe our channel Tricky Tips Max. If you want to receive notification whenever I am posting the video, please press the bell icon. Thank you.